Honorable audience, now I request freedom fighter Muhammad Alauddin to deliver his speech as a special guest.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable President of this meeting, a great poet, dynamic organizer, author of fantasy, and teacher of teacher, Shahjahan Abdali. Present in the meeting, the chief guest, Advocate Rafiq Sikdar, member, National Executive Committee of BNP, Chief Speaker, Professor Dr. Muhammad Jamir Hussain, special guest, Professor Salam Khan, a former Professor Rokeya Hassan University College. Present in the meeting, Professor Samir Ahmad, Kavi and Literaturer. Also present in the meeting, Mia Aslam Pradhan. Also present, the guest. I convey my well wishes to you all. I feel privileged to speak in this occasion. Today, our main discussion about drug-free Bangladesh. Nowadays, drug addiction is a global problem. This is not in our country. It is spread all over the world. Frustration is the main cause of addiction. Unemployment, political catalysm, lack of family ties, lack of love and affection. The frustration is rise gradually in our society. Again, the addiction rise to our crime, to the social crime when the addicted people cannot afford to buy the drug. They commit many kinds of social crime like hijacking, plundering, looting, killing, and also the raping in the society. Drug bears a terrible effect on the human body. They kill them slowly and surely. No physician can save their life. I shall speak here. In the world, there is many countries in North America. Colombia is a country where they are producing cocaine. They are the famous in the world. This is their main trade. And in Asian countries, in Afghanistan, they are producing heroin. And in our neighbor countries, Burma, they are producing fentanyl and many kinds of alcohol. They are supplying in our country. The young generation of Bangladesh, most of the students, they are addicted. We should try to save them for the betterment of our Bangladesh. We should try to build a sports field in all that upazila level to drive the young generation for they can go to the field for sports, and naturally the nation will become safe. And the government should implement their punishment to the people, those who are using drugs. So I shall request all the society, all the people in our society and the parents to care their children to abstain from this bad habit, drug addiction. So I like to thank my teacher, Kavi Shahjahan Abdali, for his wonderful arrangement in this occasion and his peaceful and for prosperous life. Kavi Shahjahan Abdali, I like to finish my speech here. Thank you very much.